Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product service. Ally Bank stands out as a digital-only banking platform offering a comprehensive suite of financial services. Accessible via their website, www.ally.com, Ally provides a modern and convenient banking experience without physical branch locations. This approach allows them to often offer competitive interest rates on savings accounts, checking accounts, and various certificates of deposit (CDS). They also facilitate money market accounts, providing customers with diverse options for managing their funds. Beyond the basics, Ally extends its services to include online investing, offering both self-directed trading and robo-advisory services for those seeking assistance with portfolio management. Home loans, auto loans, and personal loans are also available through their platform, making it a one-stop shop for many financial needs. Ally's user-friendly interface and mobile apps strive to simplify banking tasks, giving users a convenient way to monitor accounts, make transactions, and access customer support. While the absence of physical branches may be a drawback for some, Ally compensates by offering 24/7 customer service via phone and online chat, aiming to provide assistance whenever needed. They've built their reputation on providing robust online and mobile banking tools paired with competitive rates, catering to the digitally savvy customer. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, manage your investments, or secure financing, Ally's diverse product offerings are worth exploring. Remember to check out their website, www.ally.com, for the latest information on rates and services.